Apple's first pair of Beats headphones could be on the way soon, according to an FCC filing that's circulating online. Apple is yet to release a product under the Beats brand since its $3 buyout of Dr. Dre's. However, it appears a pair of Apple-branded Beats headphones are currently in the pipeline over at Cupertino, according to leaked documents recently passed through the United States Federal Communications Commission. First spotted by 9to5Mac, the diagrams reveal a follow-up to Beats On-Ear SOLO2 headphones is in the works. It appears the only difference from the original model is that the new pair will be Bluetooth-enabled. Apart from being wireless though, it seems the iPhone 6 maker has left everything else untouched. It was also reported in June that future Beats headphones were going to adopt Apple's Lightning connector, although the FCC files confirm that it will stick with micro USB for now anyway. Apple is listed as the creator and tester of the product, although at this point it's unclear whether the Apple logo will be stamped alongside Beats. There are no details on a launch date or price, but considering the original Beats SOLO2 headphones cost £169.95, the new model is bound to be pricey.